Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a lot of work. I have a lot of things to get done this week and I'm just a little stressed about all the things that I need to get done this week, and it's fine. It's fine, but today on the agenda, I need to finish this vlog that I've been editing. You guys saw that. That needs to go up today. I need to do the thumbnail. I want to reformat my sticker kits, and that's like my big project for this week. And then I also have a sticker order and a mug order that I'd like to get done today. And I also, if I have time, would like to film, edit, and upload the plan with me. But if not, I do have a backup video to go up on that channel for today, and then I can put the plan with me up on Wednesday, so it's not like that big of a deal. But I would like to get those things done. I feel like a little out of sorts because I was going to edit this video last night and have it done for today, and then I ended up not being able to do that and had to edit it this morning, which is fine, but I just feel like that was just one more thing to add to my already crazy to-do list for today. So anyway, that's what's going on today. Just a lot of working and getting stuff done today. And yeah, story of my life. I feel like I'm just constantly go all the time. I'm gonna get all this done, but like I said, I've been editing this vlog. I'm getting ready to upload it now, and then I'm gonna start working on sticker stuff, and then maybe later in the day do some orders. Thankfully, I only have 2 orders and they shouldn't take me that long. So that is good. And then I can package them up and get them sent out. It'll all be good. But first things first, I need to get this video up. That's priority number 1. And then we are going to work on new sticker kits and the new format. I'm excited about it and I'm ready to just change things up and get back to loving all of my business, not just part of it, but loving like everything that I'm doing. So I think that starts with kind of changing things up in the shop and giving things a facelift, you know, just breathing fresh new life into the shop. I think is going to be really great for it. So I am excited to sit down and work on that today. I've been wanting to work on it like all weekend, but I forced myself not to work this weekend because I needed a break. It was very nice, but at the same time, I'm like, okay, now I'm ready to do that. But of course, I had to work on this video first before I could jump into that. So that is the plan for today. So I'm gonna make this thumbnail, I'm gonna get this video up, and then we are gonna work on stickers. Alright guys, a quick little update. It is 1 o'clock now and I had lunch. I did the sticker order. I just finished the mug order. I have those done. I'm letting them cool before I package them up. And so I've gotten that done. So now it's finally time to sit and work on stickers. So I'm gonna go do that and I'm very excited about it. Okay guys, I have spent many hours on this reformat and I'm so excited about it. I think that this is just going to be really great. So we have your like functional page. I tried to keep as many of the stickers as I could. And then we have the full boxes. Don't worry if you like the 9th full box. I fit it in here, so don't worry. But this page is just looks like, you know, it has 8. That's what I'm trying to say. Then you have, oh, also I want to note, these 2 will be in the mini kit. And then these 2 will be in the mini kit. So that's the mini kit. So now you have your half boxes, quarter boxes, date covers, little labels, 2 different types of washi. And then I decided to keep the headers. Again, I really like using them. And I do think that eventually they will come back around. Oh, you know what I just noticed though? I forgot to add the glitter headers. Don't worry, I will make sure to add the glitter headers. But then we have some washi strips here. We have some labels and more like washi label type of situation there. And then we have ombre heart checklists. I decided to keep them because, like I said, the polls were really split on things, so I wanted to keep everything. But if you don't like those and you don't like a lot of this stuff, you could just get the mini kit and it still has enough stuff. But we have your 9th full box and then some more like checklist stuff. I kept these checklists, but I did change the heart and I'm really loving it. I think that that's what it needed. Some habit trackers, some currently reading binge watch stickers, a flight info, because I want all my things to match. So if you guys have a flight, that's like perfect. The movie night sticker, I noticed that these like box things were really popular in the planner community right now. So I added a couple of those and then some more of these labels. Now I have a couple of different ideas for some freebies. So with like the kit, you'll also get like some just freebies as I call them. So one of them is going to be like these little doodle stickers. I'm working on that sheet. Another one is going to be your date covers or your date dots for your date covers. And then the other one will be the glitter headers because I completely forgot to add them in here. And that was one thing in the poll that was not split. Like everybody was just like, keep the glitter headers. So I will definitely have glitter headers. I just didn't make it in this kit format, but it'll just be like an extra add-on, like freebie sort of thing. So yeah, that is the new kit format. So yeah, I got that done. I'm very excited about it. I still have a few things to do, like freebies that go with this. And the nice thing about that is I won't really have to come up with like new freebie ideas because I'll just have freebies for all the kits. And I might include some of the freebies for the mini kit also. Definitely the date dots. Yeah, I'll probably include all 3 of them, honestly. So it'll be fine. Anyway, so that is what I've been up to. Also, I'm kind of excited. I've been trying to do YouTube shorts because apparently that's a big thing right now. And some of my shorts have been like, not going viral, but like getting like 1,000 views like really quickly. And so that's kind of exciting. I guess just do more shorts. I don't know. Let me know if you guys like watching shorts because I have like a love-hate relationship with them. I think the idea is good. I just wish that YouTube didn't put it in your subscription feed. Like there was like a separate place you could go to watch shorts and not just like, you know, I don't know. Anyway, so that's what's up. It is 5:20 and I think James is starting dinner because I've just been sitting here working, but I feel like I got so much accomplished today and I'm really excited about these new stickers. So, are you excited? Are you excited? Oh, get excited. Oh, get excited. Okay, guys, so I don't even remember the last time I was on here. Oh, we had tacos. We had tacos for dinner. And then we watched an episode of Lost. James worked on his video game that he's been working on. And I was just kind of sitting around being lazy, honestly. So that's fun. Then I decided I needed to get out of the house because one thing about working from home is that you need to get out of your home from time to time. Otherwise, you'll go insane. So we went to Sonic and I got an unsweet tea and James got a strawberry slush, I think. So I really like getting drinks from places like Unsweet Tea. I know it's like I could make it at home, you know, but I like being able to like go out and get that, and I can get that because it's unsweet. So I know like a lot of people, especially like here in North Carolina, they don't like unsweet tea. They have to have it sweet, but I actually prefer my tea unsweet because that's how I grew up in the Midwest. Like we always had unsweet tea. We didn't have sweet tea. So I actually prefer unsweet tea, and it's like better for me because I don't have all that sugar. So anywho, those are just little rambles with Rachel. But I think now we are gonna watch a movie, maybe eat a paleo brownie because we have some left over from the other day when I made paleo brownies. And it's just like a mix that I got. I can't remember the name of the brand, but it's like a purple bag. I can remember it. I'll like put it in the description box if I can remember it or think of it or something. So I think we're gonna do that and watch a movie. So I'm gonna wrap up this vlog here so we can just chill for the rest of the night and then get back to work tomorrow morning. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up for me and don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys in another new video very, very soon. Bye guys.